Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we'll learn how to build this awesome hover effect using just HTML and CSS. So let's begin. Let us first start with folder, Tooltip. Yeah. Let's open this on Visual Studio Code. Here, let us create our file, index.html and style.css. So first of all, let us start with our HTML part. Here, title will be Tooltip, and inside the body we'll have one div first, and inside this div we'll have span. And for div, I'll give an ID of container, and here I will give one ID contain, and here there will be the tooltip text, and again after this span we'll have another span, and it will say hover me. So that's it. That's all HTML we need. And last thing we need to do is to link our style tag, style sheet. Link relation style sheets, and href our style.css. Now let us close this tag. Now that's all HTML we need. Now let us add our CSS. So first of all, we'll be adding some default style. Here padding will be 0, margin 0, and box sizing I will give it border box. So after this we'll add style to body. Here I will give width 100% and height 100 VH, and display will be a select box. Then justify content center and align item center. Then I will give background color, and background will be a linear gradient, and you can give any color, but let us choose color from the internet, gradient.com, gradient. Yeah. So we can select any color from here. So what we choose? Yeah. Okay. So first let's take this color, any color. Yeah. Let's take this one first, or this one. We'll take this gradient will go through the 3 layer of color. So first color will be this blue, then a bit of light blue, then a bit of dark. So let's check how is it look like. So now let's open this on our Chrome browser. So this doesn't look good. I think we have to change a bit. It should be here. Now let's reload. Here it is. Still it's not, so I'm not liking it. Let's change this color here. Yeah. Now let's check. Yeah, a bit better now. So we can use this one. So after this, I will select font family, sans serif, and yeah, that's all CSS for body. Now let's move on to container. We have ID container. So we have to add hash. Now let's this skip by side. Inside the container, first of all, I will make it position relative. Yeah. After this, I will have padding inline of 12 pixel and padding top of 6 pixel and also padding bottom of 6 pixel. Now again we have font size and I will give it 25 pixel and font width weight will be bold and cursor pointer. The color of the text will be white. Color white. Let's check. Yeah, it's working fine. Now I will give the button a border. After this, we have border 2 pixel solid white. Then border radius will be of 20 pixel. Now let's reload. Here it is. It's working really fine. Now we'll add CSS for the tooltip content. Tooltip content. Now let's check if it is matching or not. Better we just copy this. So here it is. So first of all, here we'll add the position will be absolute, which will be relative to our container. Position absolute. Then here left will be 50%, top 0, and translate x minus 50%, and background will be black, color, text color I will give it white, then white space will be no wrap, and yeah, white space will be no wrap. And why it's not showing? Color, yeah, color white, then should be white space not inherit. I'll give it no wrap. Yeah, and then I will give it a padding of 10 pixel and 15 pixel. Border radius will be 7 pixel, and visibility will be hidden for now. It will only be visible when we hover over it. So visibility hidden, opacity 0, and transition opacity 0.5 second. Yes. So the transition will be the hover effect. Now this tooltip container will be hidden because this will be hidden. This container will be hidden. So it got hidden. Now when you hover over it, I will add one more container, pseudo container or pseudo element before the tooltip contain. Now same thing, just copy this one, tooltip content before content will be empty, there will be no content, and position will be absolute as well. Then left will be 50%, top 100%, and then translate it will be x, it will be minus 50%. Sorry. Then I will give it a border of 15 pixel solid. Then I will give it a border color. First of all, it will be black. Then all it will be like transparent. There will be 4 0 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yeah, that's all for our element. Now let's add the hover effect. Now let's select our containers. When on hover, tooltip contain. Sorry. Tooltip contain. We include style top minus 130 pixel, or sorry, 130%, and visibility visible. It will so when you hover over the container, the tooltip content will be visible, and opacity will be 1. Let's see if our application is working fine or not. Here it is. Our hover effect is working perfectly fine. So that's all I had for you today. I hope you like it, and if you did, just a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing. And I really thank you for your support, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.